Let's see these two questions. If a body travels from point A to point B with a speed of x and back to point A with a speed of y, then what is the average speed of the body? So they are talking about this. So now from A to B, a body is traveling with a speed x, and from B to A, body is traveling with a speed y, right? Now they are asking about what would be the average speed. So as I told you, you should always find out the average speed in terms of total distance covered divided by total time taken, right? Now what is the total distance covered? That is not given, right? Only thing that is given is these speeds. So let us assume that the total distance is d, and we shall see, and finally this whatever factor that you have assumed, that is going to get cancelled because of this ratio. I'll show you how. Now the total distance is d plus d. From here to here, if you assume that the distance is d, he is going to travel from here to here as well as from here to back. Therefore it is going to be 2d. So d plus d is 2d, that is the total distance divided by total time. Now from here to here, he is going to travel at a speed of x for a distance d. Therefore what is the time taken? The time taken is distance by speed, therefore d by x for A to B, and again from B to C, he is going to travel the same distance d at a speed of y, so therefore d by y, right? Now if you simplify it, so you can cancel this, you are going to get it as 2 into x5 by x plus y. So the answer is also in terms of speeds only. Got it? So if you observe it, we have already solved such a question. In the previous model I have shown you how to solve such a question. There I have taken d1 and d2, isn't it? d1 plus d2 divided by d1 by x plus d2 by x, right? So here this only difference is d1 and d2 are equal. So whenever they are equal, we are able to cancel it out. That is why it is not given in the equation, not required. Okay, fine. Now this is how you can solve this question. Now the second question is an application of this. See this? A man covered certain distance at 80 km per hour and returned at 120 km per hour, then find his average speed for the entire journey, which means it is also the same kind of question. So he is going at a speed of 80 km per hour and now he is returning at a speed of 120 km per hour, right? So which means x and y are given and the distance is not given, but then they are asking us the average speed. So average speed, distance is not required, we just need the speeds in this case, right? When the distance is same, right? Average speed equal to 2 into xy. So xy is 80 into 120 divided by x plus y. So x plus y is 80 plus 120, right? So this is 2 into 80 into 120 divided by 200. Right, so 12 8 96. So 96 kilometers per hour is going to be the average. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into university is better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.